Hope that bobber is strong enough.
You have another one, right?
Yeah, but this should be the same.
Oh, marinating in here, dude.
All right, so this is Daniel's rig right now. It's got a bobber, 2 hooks, and a 1 ounce weight. So it throws out the bobber. The bobber should just float there, dangle right in front of those rockfish faces.
In their faces, dude.
In their faces. And then once you get a bite, you'll see the bobber go boop, 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 boop. And then you know you got one. So he'll do that while I continue to swim bait. Hella soft, hella soft. Yep. If you just hook them through the mouth like we did originally and just toss it out there hella lightly, should be fine. Yeah, just wait till I